All right, you see the engine's completely timed. That's the oil pump, sprocket, right there. Come up here. Right there, you see everything's on. All right, I just put the harmonic balancer bolt back in there and I got my setup. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm going to rotate the engine to make sure everything's good. I'm going to rotate it until the marks on the cam line up with the timing chain marks. All right, I'm going to start the rotation. Stop it here. Yeah, it's got good compression on the third rotation. Back. All right, I'm gonna stop it here. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. I think I was gonna get them timing chain marks to line up with the cam marks. But I rotated the motor 40 times and everything's good. So there you go.